A record number of children and youth are not attending school due to COVID-19. Parents are done with us and we have no option but to stay at home. So my team has worked on a safety suit named Ninja KFC, a no infection just automatic kit for children. Yes, you got it right, a kit for children. You must be thinking of Kentucky Fried Chicken? Of course, you could also have it with our KFC too. There are 5 members in our team who have brainstormed together to make this project.
The suit consists of 3-layered comfortable, antiviral and antibacterial jacket and pant. It also has a sensor to detect physical distancing of 6 feet and Raspberry Pi cam to detect pulse mask and will pump automatically to sanitize our hands.
Let me tell you that our Ninja KFC protects the user by incorporating the state-of-the-art AI model, which is highly optimized to be used in a Raspberry Pi. It's a low-cost protection suit and is highly durable. It has an alarm for sanitizer, physical distancing and mask. The sanitizer will automatically spray on hand after every 1 hour.
About the layers. The outermost layer is made up of antimicrobial fabric with a coating of polythene. There is an ultrasonic sensor in the front of the jacket which will alert our system if the person is in close proximity, and in response our system will give a beep sound. We will develop an AI model using TensorFlow and OpenCV to detect whether the person is wearing a mask or not.
Hey friends, thankfully it has a jute cloth layer in the middle to get cooling in sweaty hot weather. The camera in layer 1 will act as an input to the AI model. If the person next to you is not wearing mask, then we will get a beep sound, and it has a wow feature in the 3rd layer. Guess what? Automatic sanitizer dispenser system will drop some sanitizer on your hands by using plastic pipes. Isn't it exciting? So be ready to go to KFC with Ninja. Woo-hoo!
There, you can see the components required to make our project on the slide. Mummy and Daddy, I'm so excited. I hope my suit gets selected so we can attend the school. And yes, I'm looking for sponsors too. Thank you.